Friend. All right, so when you, no, I'm not gonna start with all right. And when it comes, no. In this episode, we're gonna talk about our carbine work lights. So let's dive right in and get right. Say you want a certain pattern for the back of your bar. So flip it to the back, to the second slide switch, press your pattern button. So you'll see one of the main updates we made to our K-Force was, so on our K-Force 14-inch and 18-inch models, you'll see that so another example I brought with us today is our K-Force. So when you open up your box, so the first position will control the front of your bar. The second position will light up the bar 360. Now let's talk about some of the new flash pattern button, light bar 360. Now let's talk about some of the new flash pattern functions that we've don't even know what else. So when it comes to the new, remember that it is in random mode. Now let's talk about, I don't know where I'm going with the light bar. So we simplified those buttons to simply be an on-off feature.
Did you want to stop there?
I don't know where I'm going. So when you go to, with clear takedowns, clear alleys, and amber traffic advisor, and you'll want to remember this if you.
What'd you say?
If you have any questions about our work lights, give us a call, shoot us an email, or leave a comment. It's wrong order.